Hello and welcome to Tech Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you a all new Tata Tiago petrol. So before going to the car, I would like to thank Select Motors Karimnagar for allowing me to shoot the all new Tata Tiago. So launched in January 2016, the Tata Tiago saw some difficult early days with a name change at last minute from now infamous Zika and the aura of Indica lingering around still, and the Tiago had to impress everyone at first encounter, and with a very traditionally European hatchback design, a decently level of performance, it did it. It even packed a great handling chassis and well-made, well-equipped interior. With the package that is offered, the Tiago went on win in 2017 awards also, and the only thing it missed was in an AMT, but now Tiago AMT is also launched. The Tiago AMT is only available in top of the line variant XZ and XZA, where the A stands for AMT gearbox. As with the other top specification cars with the manual gearbox, you get the gloss black grille, the 14-inch alloy wheels, two-piece spoiler with the black inserts and front fog lamps. You also get ORVM mounted indicators and the rear bumper with black central lower half. And Tiago looks with simple and honest Euro style design language in particular shade of red. It looks even better, and there is no real way of differentiating the AMT to the normal manual versions from manual variants because of the badging itself. On the insides, the Tiago remains unchanged. The car still gets the Bluetooth enabled infotainment setup with inbuilt GPS assist and media jukebox features. The Tiago also continues to impress with the level of quality that all the plastics execute and overall build quality. For its price range, the Tiago is the most spacious car out with enough room in front and rear seat passengers comfortably. The Tiago also gets decent shoulder room in the rear to complement the leg space, and you still get a large enough boot space as well. Under the hood, 1.2 liter 3-cylinder unit that does duty on standard manual gearbox equipped. You get 84 bhp of peak power and 140 Nm of peak torque, and the gearbox essentially stays the same, a 5-speed unit on which is mounted the AMT shifter module. The module is mated to a traditional shifter lever which replaces the manual shifter in the cabin. Just like the unit on the Nano and Just, the Tiago also gets an AMT unit with a drive, neutral and reverse mode, and a manual mode that allows the driver to shift up or down. And the Tiago AMT also gets a sports mode to complement the AMT unit as well. Now usually it's the sports mode, it's very punchier and sharper and crisper, with shifts taking place at slightly higher band than usual. In the Tiago though, it's actually the other way around. It's a normal drive mode that offers the best all-round performance. In 5-speed AMT unit, there is a minimal lag in the mode of AMT unit shifts to the gear smoothly without any typical shift shocks that one gets in some other units. And the AMT gearbox also responds well to heavier throttle applications and adapts well when you need to put some power to accelerate as well. And AMT gearbox does have a sports mode. Although shifts are much quicker between gears in this mode, they are also noticeably jerkier. The sport mode, especially from a standstill, also a lot jerkier in some cases, makes the car lunge forward, which could be slightly dangerous. And the main issues, the Tata Tiago in its manual avatar was a pack of performance for 1.2 liter unit despite being quite powerful on paper. In the AMT though, especially in the preferred normal drive mode that complaint ceases exists, it is almost a Tiago's 1.2 liter motor was tuned for AMT gearbox right from get-go, not for the manual, and that is a very rare occurrence as well. So AMT and both manual are very good in this car. As with the other Tiago, the AMT continues to impress with its excellent chassis dynamics. The car is poised in the corners, and even with the lack of weight transfer that can be initiated by kicking down the clutch and shifting in a lower gear while taking tighter corners fast, the Tiago AMT continues to showcase an almost go-kart like setup. Brakes to continue to be great, and the AMT gets ABS as standard. And continuing on the safety front, the car also gets 2 airbags as standard, one for the driver and passenger as well. On the whole, the Tiago AMT is great product for the price point. The only real improvement in the car and the Tiago in general would be the addition of touchscreen infotainment unit that does duty in the Tiago. Priced at 5.35 lakhs ex showroom, it makes sense for a wide range of customers for the AMT version. who are looking for something that makes a great overall package. The Tiago is spacious, performs well and built well too. It is most certainly a car we will recommend to every customer. So if you want to purchase any car, you can contact the number given below, and you can go for the manual variant as well as the AMT variant, which I personally like, the AMT version. So hope that guys you like this video. Please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. Thank you.